Samsung's newest S Pen toting beast has been unveiled at the January Unpacked event. That's exactly 11 months after the announcement of the Galaxy S23 series. It seems Samsung has been growing too eager to launch its flagships before the typical 12-month cycle is up. So what are we getting? New processor? Sure. Some decent facelifts? Definitely, with a titanium frame to keep up with the times. A bit of a camera module shuffle has the zoom cameras changed up a bit, but we still end up with 4 cameras on the back like before. And we now get to see the Galaxy S24 Ultra go completely flat screened. There's just ever so slight arc at the edge of it, so it fuses into the frame seamlessly. Samsung has been reducing the edge curve over the past few years. If you are still a fan of it, it looks like the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be your last chance to get a phone with an edge screen for a while. The good news is that we do expect Samsung to keep selling the S23 Ultra as a reduced cost model over the next year. But back to present times, Samsung has launched a trio of Galaxy S24 device, and of course you can expect a Galaxy S24 review and S24 Plus review as soon as we put them through the full slew of benchmarks. All hail titanium, the new ruler of the flagship phones. Joking aside, we have a titanium frame on the Galaxy S24 Ultra now, following in the footsteps of Apple's Pro iPhones. It's a soft touch mate and it looks clean and stylish, pretty cool. We don't get a lot of benefits in terms of weight. Samsung also completely removed the curvature of the screen. The soft edge design has been getting less and less prominent over the years as it appears consumers simply prefer a flat display, and Samsung has been testing it slowly and surely, making the curves less and less prominent. On the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's just a slight wiggling into the frame of the phone for a seamless transition. But the rounded side frames are back, so it still feels like the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra colors are going to be titanium grey, black, yellow and violet. The Samsung.com having a few extra ones: titanium green, blue and orange. As before, we have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, Samsung's best screen tech that has been awesome for years now. There's more brightness headroom with a peak brightness of 2600 nits that only matters when watching HDR content and under very bright conditions. But hey, it's there. It's still QHD plus resolution and it's still an LTPO panel with variation between 1Hz and 120Hz. Samsung has been doing that with the Ultra models for a while now. Overall, we expect very little surprises here aside from the screen going completely flat. Okay, we are back to having a 200 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and then 2 zoom cameras, a 10 megapixel zoom camera with a 3x telephoto lens and 50 megapixel one with a 5x lens. You may have noticed the 5x camera replaced with 10x lens of yesteryear. Apparently, Samsung is going to be using the high-res 50 megapixel sensor and some AI trickery to achieve the same or better results with it. Currently, our expectations for the Galaxy S24 Ultra are that it will be a very good phone with powerful hardware, good camera and dependable battery. We don't expect some head-turning new features or improvements, so we are curious how far those AI tricks can go and how often Samsung will add new ones. That is to say, we don't think that Galaxy S23 Ultra owners will be rushing to upgrade to it, but it will definitely be a killer phone for newcomers. But we will see. We have to run it through our performance benchmarks and camera tests to draw a final verdict. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.